what do you call it?
Rocking chair.
It's not exactly a rocking chair. It's similar to a rocking chair.
Yeah.
From Ikea.
It's basically this.
We got the light wooden color instead of the dark one, and we bought the cushion that was supposed to be for the dark wood, but we decided to change it to match our couch. So we opened up the box. Now let's start building. So let's go to step 1. What is this? So then we get 4 of these pieces. 1. Oh wait, sorry, not those, not those. These. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 3. So one of them has this stuff that sticks to fabric. So let's put in this one first. Then this. Then this.
Then Mama. Mama. Okay.
And the other side?
Okay. So that. Okay, it's the same one as the bottom.
Let's stand back.
Okay.
Let me show them how it works.
Okay, Mark.
So then you push in. You push in.
Oh, good one. Now, could you stand back so, you know, the people could see? Okay.
Yep, good job, guys. Okay, guys, we need to bring like something to so we can screw them good, right?
Oh, I think if they have it in here. Yeah, they have it in here.
That's good, that's good.
It's this little key that you screw with. You screw with this thing.
Which one? Show it again, Laura. Where's this in the way?
This thing.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of those. So now, we're gonna screw in the screws.
Can I help?
Okay, so we put in the screws and we asked my dad to help us since I don't know why. This piece it was like loose.
Yeah, and there was like a big difference between all the screws. So basically now you have to screw all these so these parts can hold together. So this might take a bit of a while.
Here, can I have
So I think we'll see you when we're done.
Okay, so now we're building this part with the fabric in the middle. So you screw it onto this part over there.
Yeah.
And then you put, which screw was it?
It was some screw that was thicker than these.
It was the long one.
Oh my god. I'll show you which screw it was, okay? It was this.
Okay, so you use that screw with the little blue thingy on it.
Exactly. Every screw is a blue.
Well, yeah,
Although
that's
there
true.
are different sizes of screws. That's why it's a bit complicated.
Okay, so you do it to both sides.
I'll do it, Daddy. It's my honor. That great. We have a problem. No, we don't.
Okay.
So now we have to place this wood right inside here, so this thing can't fall down. So basically, we have to do this.
It's like a curvy long piece, so you stuff it inside. And from both sides, so my dad's doing it. Then you screw it in the hole.
Put it back in. So, yeah.
Nope, it's not
It has to
in.
go more forward.
Push it in more.
Push it in.
Ooh, no.
There.
There.
A bit more.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Got it.
Perfect.
Got it.
Small little screws, okay, people? So, we got one of those parts that do the standing in front. And it's kind of hard to put in, but we barely figured it out. So then you put one of the long screws inside it.
This is a delicious floor.
Unscrew it, people.
Got it.
Okay, so you need to put a rubber thingy. It's this. The rubber thingy. Well, it's not really rubber. You can't really squeeze it. It's just like a plastic ring.
Daddy blocked them. This is what I don't like about Ikea, that you always get mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah, like there has not been one Ikea thing that we bought where we didn't make a mistake in, other than the chairs that me and Joseph built.
Yeah.
Want to trade jobs, Joseph?
Yeah, sure, Joseph. Because you're like an
I
old
want to
man
try. I'm good
so
at that.
smart, and he sells his butt all the time. Here.
Can I try? My turn. I haven't tried anything. Well, you have tried some. So, we made a mistake with the screw.
Yeah, we were supposed to put the small one, but apparently we put the big one, so we were wrong.
So we unscrewed it.
Which was very, very, very
Disappointing. That at least just this film and would get us some more subscribers. Okay. So, we're screwing in some stuff.
Yeah.
I finished tightening the screw in that one.
Okay, so I help.
Okay, you helped with that one, but I tightened it more. And we put one of those flat pieces with two little wooden studs on the bottom. So you put it inside here, then you screw it.
And too bad, we're gonna have to do another side.
Okay, so are you done with that?
Okay.
I'm gonna try and tighten it.
Okay, so we put it this other side, which is way easier since we knew what to do. And now basically it's this, and we have to put the cushion.
But the cushion comes separately. It doesn't come with it.
We have to buy the cushion. Got it. We got it, Jude. Let's go. Open this up. Okay. Open this up.
Pull it.
Jude,
that
pull it up.
side.
Jude, you pull it up.
We'll pull from that side. No. Grab onto it and then pull. So where the sticky thing is, it's supposed to go on the back and onto the second piece of wood that has sticky stuff. And nearly done. Push it in the.
Doesn't fit up.
Okay, loop. Let's sit on it.
Done.
Okay, bye guys. See you next time. And please subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, bye. Yeah.